Welcome to Top Gears, your trusted destination for everything automotive. Today, we're taking a first look at the all-new 2025 Subaru Forester, a compact SUV that continues to push the limits of practicality, performance, and technology. Subaru has refined one of its most successful models, blending rugged utility with modern comfort and innovation. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 Forester a strong contender in the SUV market. Exterior design. The 2025 Subaru Forester arrives with a bold redesign, featuring a sharper and more aggressive stance. The front fascia now sports a wider hexagonal grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights that enhance visibility and character. The sculpted hood and pronounced wheel arches give it a more muscular appearance, while the redesigned rear end features slimmer taillights and a cleaner bumper layout. Subaru has also improved aerodynamics, optimizing airflow for better fuel efficiency and stability at higher speeds. The new color palette introduces earthy and metallic tones, reflecting Subaru's outdoor heritage. With a slightly longer wheelbase and new alloy wheel designs, the Forester 2025 looks both tougher and more refined than ever. Interior and comfort. Step inside, and you'll notice a significant upgrade in quality and technology. The 2025 Forester offers a cabin crafted with soft-touch materials, intuitive controls, and improved sound insulation for a quieter ride. The centerpiece is Subaru's new 11.6-inch vertically oriented touchscreen running the latest Starlink infotainment system. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with enhanced voice commands and over-the-air updates. The seating is redesigned for greater comfort, with available Nappa leather upholstery and heating for both front and rear seats. Cargo capacity remains a strong point, with flexible folding rear seats that make it easy to adapt for any adventure. Performance and capability. Under the hood, Subaru continues with its 2.5-liter Boxer 4-cylinder engine, producing around 182 horsepower. It's paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, and standard symmetrical all-wheel drive, delivering dependable traction and stability on all surfaces. Rumors suggest a hybrid variant may join the lineup later, aimed at improving efficiency without sacrificing power. Ground clearance remains generous, making the Forester a confident companion for off-road trails and snowy roads. Subaru has also fine-tuned the suspension for a smoother, more composed ride. Safety and technology. Safety has always been a Subaru hallmark, and the 2025 Forester raises the bar with the latest EyeSight driver assist technology. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and pre-collision braking. New additions such as a 360-degree camera system and driver attention monitoring further enhance safety awareness. Final thoughts. The 2025 Subaru Forester refines everything drivers love about the